Good morning to all my students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5, Famous Commentators. Who are commentators? A commentator is a person who comments or expresses an opinion on a subject. A commentator is a person who comments or expresses an opinion on a subject on a radio or television or in a newspaper. Okay? There are some pictures of famous cricket commentators. Let us learn their names. Okay? Now look at the first pic. This is the picture of Tony Greig. Tony Greig was from India. He was a cricketer of the England team. After his retirement from cricket, he became a commentator. Okay, his actual name is Anthony Greig. His actual name is Anthony Greig. He died in year 2012. Okay, now look at the second pic. This is a picture of Mark Taylor. Mark Taylor is an Australian cricketer. He was from Australia. He was the captain of the Australian team. Okay, and after his retirement, he became a commentator. Okay, now look at the third picture. This is the picture of David Lloyd. David Lloyd also was a cricketer of the England team. Okay, he also was a cricketer of the England team. He played cricket for the England team. Okay, and after his retirement, he became a commentator. Okay, now look at the next picture. This is the picture of Richie Benaud. Okay, this is the picture of Richie Benaud. Richie Benaud played cricket for Australia. After his retirement, he became a commentator. He died in a year 2015. Okay, now look at the next picture. This is the picture of Ian Bishop. Ian Bishop, very famous. He was a very famous West Indies cricketer. Ian Bishop was a very famous West Indies cricketer. After his retirement, he was also become a commentator. Okay, now look at the next picture. Here, this picture of Ian Chappell. Okay, Ian Chappell, again a famous cricketer from Australia. He was a famous cricketer of Australia. After his retirement, he also became a commentator. Okay, Ian Chappell. Okay, now look at the next picture. This is the picture of Bill Lawry. Okay, his actual name was William Morris Lawry. William Morris Lawry. Okay, he also played cricket for Australia. Okay, and after his retirement, he became a commentator. Okay, now look at the next picture. This picture of the Michael Atherton. Michael Atherton. He is famously known as Michael Andrew. है ना, Michael Andrew. He played cricket for England. He was also the captain of the England cricket team. After his retirement, he became a commentator. Okay. Now the last pic is this picture is of Harsha Bhogle. He is an Indian commentator. है ना, he is an Indian commentator. He is the only commentator who has not played cricket of the national level. Who had not played cricket of the national level. Okay, he is famously known as the voice of the cricket. He is famously known as the voice of the cricket. Okay. Now let us move on our next chapter. Chapter number 6. Prominent astronomers. What do you mean by prominent? Prominent means famous. We are going to learn about famous astronomers. Who are astronomers? Astronomers are people who learn about space. Okay? An astronaut is a person who is specially trained into outer space. Who is an astronaut? Astronaut is a person who is specially trained to go into outer space. Okay. Astronauts aboard a spacecraft may have different responsibility. What is the meaning of aboard? One who aboard something, like he boarded the plane. He was aboard the plane. So astronauts aboard the spacecraft, who are in the spacecraft, who board the spacecraft. What is spacecraft? Spacecraft is a vehicle that is used to go into space, like rockets. Okay. And astronauts who are there in the spacecraft, they have different responsibilities. Okay. Like some are commanders, some are pilots are there. Okay. And some mission specialists, and there are some payload specialists also. Okay. Who is the commander? Commander is the one who is responsible for the mission, the cruise and the vehicle. Okay. And who is the pilot? Pilot is the one who assists the commander. Who assists the commander. Okay. And who is mission specialist? Mission specialist is the one who performs space work. What do you mean by space works? Mission specialists go into the space and they conduct experiment. Okay. And payload specialist, they perform specialized duties. Okay. And who manages the spacecraft? Now there are some pictures and names of the some prominent astronomers are given below. Read the descriptions given below and write their names. Look at the first one. He, along with his sister Caroline, discovered the planet Uranus in 1781. Do you all know what is planet? A celestial bodies moving around the sun. Planet is a celestial bodies moving around the sun. So this astronomer discovered the planet Uranus in the year 1781 with his sister Caroline. Okay. And who is he? He is William Herschel. William Herschel. Okay. Now look at the second one. The ring around planet Saturn was discovered by this astronomer, and he devised the wave theory of light. He was the first person to describe them as a ring surrounding Saturn. Okay. This astronomer, he is chiefly known for his studies of the rings of Saturn. And he devised the wave theory of light. The wave theory of light. Who is he? He is Christian Huygens. Christian Huygens. Okay. Now look at the third one. The first telescope used in astronomy was built by this astronomer. What is telescope? A telescope is a tool that astronomer use to see faraway object. A telescope is a tool that astronomers use to see faraway objects. Okay. This is a durbin. Okay. So the first telescope used in astronomy, means earth science, was built by this astronomer. So this astronomer discovered the first telescope. So who is he? He is Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei was built by the first telescope used in astronomy. Okay. Now the next one. He predicted the orbits of comets. What do you mean by orbit? Orbit is a path, and comet is a star. It's a very bright star with a tail. Comet is a very bright star with a tail. What do you mean by orbit of comets? Orbit of comets means path where comets move. The path where comets move. Okay. One of comet has been named after this astronomer. So what is the name of this astronomer? The name of this astronomer, Edmund Halley. Edmund Halley. Okay. And you also have heard the name of comets, Halley's. Yes. So a comet has been named after this astronomer, Edmund Halley. Edmund Halley. Okay, now look at the next one. This astronomer was to first discover that the sun is at the center of the solar system. Do you all know what is solar system? Solar system refers to the family of the sun. The sun is a star around which 8 planets. Okay, so this astronomer was the first to discover that the sun is the center of the solar system. Okay, so who is he? He is Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus. Okay, now the next one. He made tremendous discoveries about galaxies. Tremendous means huge, है ना? So he made a great discovery about galaxies. What is galaxy? A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, billions of stars, and their solar system. Okay, and there are millions of galaxies in solar system. There are millions of such galaxies in solar system. Okay, and a big space telescope is named after him. A big space telescope is named after him, this astronomer. So who is he? He is Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble. Okay, now look at the next one. He revolutionized astronomy by his theories of gravity and the motions of planets. The discovery of this astronomer brought a huge change in earth science. He has given theories of gravity and the motions of planets. Okay, so who is he? He is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. Okay, now look at the next one. Here written she, है ना? She was the first to detect pulsars in 1967 at the Cambridge University. She was the first astronomer who discovered the first radio pulsar in 1967 at the Cambridge University. What is pulsar? Pulsar is a neutron star. Okay, pulsar is a neutron star that emits radiation. Okay, so who is she? She is Jocelyn Bell. She is Jocelyn Bell. Okay, I hope you all are understood this chapter. Try to learn these chapters. Okay, do practice at home. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe.